Hi, I'm Sue Davies. I'm the creator and maker behind Maggie May's Miniatures. Full credit to Rod Stewart for the name of the person, although she is imaginary. She lives in 1970s London and has a very rock and roll kind of lifestyle. Let me show you around. Here's my nod to Eric Clapton with a similar graffiti. It's not exact. And Gasoline Alley, song by Bread and Rod Stewart. The outside of Maggie's Emporium is inspired by a stall called Ian Snow in Machynlleth, Wales, which sells all things eclectic and ethnic, has been going since the 70s, very brightly covered. And I have put together everything for Maggie's. I've done the electrics, the decoration, the woodwork, wood floorings, put together kits to make things like this bathroom set. Some things are a bit rustic, 70s style, other things a bit more chic. Made the piano, nod to Elton there with the glasses on the top. Mr. Potato Head on the shelf there to play when there's been too much booze drunk. Curtains still to do there in the living room. And then we've got the Emporium, which stocks all sorts of things. Lots more to come. Micro crochet at the back. Carpet bags made, poster for hair, handbags and Gladrags, another Rod Stewart nod there, David Bowie nod there, stenciling on the floor, very common in the 70s. Took down the stair rail, well, that was happening in the 70s as well. Changing room under the stairs there. Original floor as it would have been. And a bit of a hippy dippy thing here, a bit ethnic. This is Madam Ruth, who of course made things like Love Potion No.9. So I've got all sorts of bottles that I've concocted and crystal balls, which are actually semi-precious stones, like you've had for stud earrings. All sorts of weird and wonderful things. And more to do. It's an ongoing, wonderful project which I love. The kitchen is a bit more 70s, which it's with its colouring and cans of Heinz baked beans. Somebody's been cooking spam on the hob there. No washing up done for ages, of course. Landing. There is still so much for me to do in Maggie's, but I'm loving the process. When I make something, I tend to make a few extra and can put them in my Etsy shop, and I'm open to commissions.